Annual drug overdose deaths have reached another record high in the United States as deaths from fentanyl and other synthetic opioids surged to unprecedented levels. Dr. Salim Sarani joins us live to discuss this. Dr. Sarani, it's my understanding in my conversations with the DEA that it's the fentanyl that's the biggest problem coming over illegally, and just a small amount can wipe out a group of people.
Good morning, John Thomas. That is absolutely correct. I think we have been addressing the opiate crisis, and I think there was a lot of funding allocated a few years ago, and then the COVID came in, and everything went on the back burner, and people felt like if you don't address the issue, it will go away itself. Answer is no. It just increased. If you look in 2019, we had like 35,000 deaths. In 2020, you had close to 69,000 deaths. And in 2021, it went even higher, and it's more than 100,000 deaths. And you're right, the majority of it is the synthetic fentanyl, and it is coming in, and even in a small quantity, it can be lethal. But that doesn't mean that the other drugs has not gone up. Methamphetamine, that also increased by almost 40% usage. And question is, we know that the COVID brought a lot of isolation, the jobless, the fear, and again, a lot of the things going around in the world. The mental health issue has emerged as a major challenge. And if we are not going to address that, we are going to continually see the number of those deaths going higher, whether it's because of the drug, depression, suicide. So I think we have to go ahead and revive it back. And I think we did a good job a few years ago trying to address it. And I think, even the county take a lot of steps going towards it. There were a lot of healthcare dollar which was pushed in that area. And with the COVID coming in, all the efforts and attention went over there. The funding, as well as the initiation and energy, they all went away. I think this is a time we need to take a look at the stats. And if we don't act now, we can see the number going up, because the next 7 months or 6 months since then, we have not seen the number going down.
Dr. Sarani, this is really for the parents. One of the most damning things I heard the DEA say is that it's no longer the drug dealers on the streets. They're in your living rooms. They're on those cell phones. Dr. Sarani, thank you for your input. We appreciate you as always. Thank you for waking up so early to be with us and our viewers. If you have a question for Dr. Sarani, send us a text at 361-855-6397.